MotoSport.com was founded in 1999. To commemorate that, we're giving away 2 dirt bikes. 2 lucky winners will have the choice of a 1999 Ricky Carmichael Replica KX250 built by Pro Circuit, or a 2019 Kawasaki 250 decked out with the best performance upgrades. On top of that, each winner will be provided with a head-to-toe set of Fox racing gear, as well as a chance to join MotoSport.com for a VIP experience at the Washougal National, July 27th.
So now that the bike build's wrapped up, we gotta put it to use, man. We gotta see how this thing runs. I have a feeling it's really fast. We're gonna take it to our backyard track, Washougal MX Park. Dude, that bike is wicked fast. Mitch, I don't know what you did to it, but we got more of a surprise for you. Tune in next week.
Enter weekly to win.